Hello, my name is Philip Rulo with Rultract, and what I'm going to do today is to show you what to look for that will indicate that your Rultract Ratchet Assembly is ready for service. Now, this particular retractor here is over 10 years old and has just been serviced by our authorized service center. And you can see here that it functions as a new unit would. The cable is easily pulled from the spool and also winds perfectly into the spool when you retract. Now, something that you'll want to look for in one of your older pieces or a piece that hasn't been serviced in quite some time is, first of all, trying to pull the cable out of the spool. Okay, now, as you can see the difference here already, it doesn't come out anywhere near as easily. Then you can also see there are a couple of kinks in that cable as well. Then when I go to wind the cable into the spool, you could hear and see that it does not wind anywhere near as easily as it should. So you'll want to have your ratchet assembly serviced every 12 to 24 months depending on use. But if you're in sterile processing, disassembling and reassembling the Rultract, and this is what you're experiencing, this retractor is definitely ready for service. So if you are experiencing this with your retractor, please send it to us for service. The turnaround times are quick, and the results, I think, just speak for themselves.